Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to check who doesn't follow me back on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once on Instagram, tap on your profile photo on the bottom right. This will lead you to your profile. Once you are now on your profile, the next step to do is to click on Following List. On your following list, use the search bar on the top, and then look for a username. If you find that username over at the following list, you know that that person follows you. Now, to make sure, tap on the person's username, then click on Followers. In here, search for your username. You should appear on top. And then, over at Following, tap on it this time. Over at Following, if you search for your name and it does not appear, that means the other person is not following you. This time, you may now go back to your profile. And then over at your following list, you can search for their name. And then in here, you can choose to unfollow them depending on your preference. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.